Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, it will be a very short video. I would like to show you my complete diamond painting kit from Make Market. This is a brand that is affiliated with Michael's stores. You can find it only at Michael's stores and maybe sometimes in Walmart. I actually saw this very flower at Walmart, however, it's not available anymore. The name of this kit is Pink Flower. What's peculiar about Make Market kits? That's how their brand looks. Like this one is, this box is not from the kit that I'm showing to you, but the box looks like this, Make Market brand. So what's peculiar about this brand is that they release the series of designs every season and they never repeat the same designs again. So this kit was one of the spring/summer series collection, and it was released in 2025, and unfortunately the same design will not be released again next year, and I'm not even sure if it is still available in stores now. The original price was $15, but I purchased it on sale for $10. The size is very weird, in the sense that it's not really very standard, 11 by 14 inches. However, well, actually maybe it is standard, I'm not sure. But this kit comes with the magnetic frame. That's how it looks. So this way I don't have to worry about purchasing a frame. I can just use the magnetic one, which is really very convenient. So this is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 11 by 14 inches. This kit contained only acrylic drills, but I replaced one color white with ABs from Diamond Dots. I'm pretty sure you can see them over here. And there were 32 colors. I cannot say that it was hard to diamond paint it, but it contained pretty much confetti. However, since the size is pretty small, it didn't take me long to complete it. But it was a pleasure to diamond paint it because the quality of the drills was perfect. I tossed away maybe 2 or 3 damaged drills. As to the rest, they were of a very high quality, and at some point I even began to suspect that this kit came with resin drills because the camera doesn't really capture the sparkle, but it is way more intense than on their other, Make Markets, right? On other Make Market designs. Not sure if their acrylic drills became better or this kit just had higher quality drills, but the sparkle is way more intense than on their other designs. But no, unfortunately these are still acrylic drills. When I looked at the drills inside the plastic bags, no, they were acrylic, but again of a very high quality. That's how it looks. And of course the detalization, as always, it is perfect. I really like how it is rendered. So what I'm thinking to do with this very kit, framing it into magnetic frame and giving it away as a gift to my daughter's teachers. She has a lot, right? On top of her homeroom teacher, right? Like her main teacher. She has a PE teacher, music, what else? Media, specials, etc. So, and instead of giving all of them these huge kits, minimum of 40 by 50 centimeters, and they are pretty heavy to carry them to school. Or this one, by the way, look at the sparkle. This is resin. These are resin drills. Gorgeous sparkle. Or this one. The smaller kits are perfect to give away as a gift to the rest of the teachers. So now let's frame and see how it looks inside the magnetic frame, not behind the glass, unfortunately. So that's how it looks framed, and the camera is capturing the sparkle way better when it is hanging like that vertically. gorgeous, right? I'm sorry for the cracking sound standing on the floor. Isn't it beautiful? I actually have now 5 kits, completed kits with magnetic frame. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I think it's so worth purchasing. If you still have it available in your local Michaels, I would definitely recommend you to get it. And I'm pretty sure it's on sale now for around $7, maximum $10. And this is idea for you on how you can customize this kit. Just add white ABs to the instead of the white color, replace it with white ABs. That's how it looks. So this is the completed pink flower kit. I also have this one, but I made a lot of customization in this fairy kit. I have a very detailed video post review about that. I do not remember the name, to tell you the truth. Maybe, I don't know, beach hut? Something like that. I don't remember. But it's gorgeous, right? I think it would be a pretty nice gift. Tropical drink. Look at the water. The water is super natural. It looks amazingly realistic. The way the Make Market combined the colors in this very design is perfect. And I mean, I can even see the shadow from the pineapple. Do you see it on the left side? Oh my god, this is just gorgeous. This is the Christmas door from last year collection, Christmas collection. Also pretty nice. And this gorgeous kitten, kitty, I don't know, black cat on the moon background. What's specific about this very design is that it glows in the dark. I used white ABs that glow in the dark, plus the cat's eye also glows in the dark. Let me try, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work because it didn't really charge on the light. No, it doesn't really glow. But again, I have a very detailed post review. Over there, you can see the cat's eye glowing in the dark along with the moon. And most likely, I will start working on this very kit. I will just finish all their snack kits for now, and then I will start working on bigger kits from Diamond Art Club, from Hobby Lobby brand, and from Make Market. And we'll see how it's gonna turn out. So thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, I won't be able to give you the link because I'm not sure if it is still available. I personally purchased it in a physical store, but you can check if it is available online. Just go to michaels.com. The name is Pink Flower, brand is Make Market, or check your local physical Michaels. Maybe they still have it in stock. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.